Now, just think if you're analyzing the data and I'm checking the results. Okay, the overall results of the students are like this, and I go on this point and I've seen that student 46 has quite a good marks. In 88 is very good marks, but in which subject? In which subject? Yes, you have to go on the top to see the heading. Oh, it's business maths. Okay. Now I'm saying further, student 41 has very poor marks, same like his name. In which subject? Go on the top again. Oh, it's business maths. You know, you can do this, but that's very annoying. Seeing the result of a student, if it is 90, guess the subject. So we are not guessing anything here. What is the problem with this? When we move down, the headings disappear. So we don't want that. We want that when data moves, the heading should not move. The heading should be static. So in order to freeze this, we use freeze panes. Panes means if I want to freeze this row, it will be freezed like this. And if I want to freeze the column, it will be freezed like this. So I want to freeze the intersection point. So when I move down, the headings should not disappear. But when I move over, the student names should not disappear too. So what I will do is highlight the intersection point of these rows and columns, and as soon as I highlight this and go in View tab, you can see the Freeze Panes option. Now you have two options, top rows and first column. Usually in the top rows there's a heading or company name, so you don't have to do anything with freezing that. And the first column is normally serial numbers, so there's no point in fixing that. So we will use freeze panes based on the intersection point. So it is based on the current selection. So my selection is this column and this row will be freezed as soon as I click. You can see little intersection point between these two. So if I move down, the headings are not disappearing now. But if I move at the right, the names are not disappearing. So that's it. This is freeze panes.